How to prevent people from sharing your TikTok posts to their TikTok stories. Start out on your profile page. Then, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On this new box, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, under the Account section, tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the Interaction section. Then, tap on Story. You can see a box pops up. This will determine who can add your posts to their stories. So right now mine's set on everyone, so anyone, even people I'm not following or aren't following me, can add my posts to their stories. If you don't want anybody to add your posts to their stories, tap on Only You. You can also tap on Friends, which are people you follow back that also follow you, so you both follow each other. If you want them to be able to add your posts to their story, tap on Friends, otherwise tap on Only You. And from there, just tap on the X or click anywhere outside of that box. That's it. Before you go, check this out.